In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable spell check in Figma. Enabling spell check in your Figma projects is a simple yet incredibly effective way to maintain professionalism and accuracy in your designs. It helps you catch typos and grammatical errors before they reach your clients or collaborators, ensuring your work is always polished and credible. Let's walk through the steps to activate this helpful feature. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Figma icon. This icon is usually located in the upper left corner of your Figma interface. It often looks like a main menu or a hamburger menu with three horizontal lines, representing access to the application's core settings and functionalities. Clicking on this icon will open a comprehensive drop-down menu, revealing various options for file management, view settings, and general application preferences. Think of it as your gateway to customizing your Figma experience. Once the main menu appears, you'll then need to click on the option labeled Text. This section of the menu is specifically dedicated to all text-related functionalities within Figma. Since spell checking is inherently about managing and correcting text, it makes perfect sense that this is where you'd find the relevant settings. Hovering over or clicking Text will typically open a submenu with further options related to fonts, styling, and of course, spell checking features. Within the Text submenu, you should now see an option clearly labeled Spell Check. This is the primary toggle or entry point for managing Figma's spell checking capabilities. Selecting Spell Check will usually present you with a final set of choices or a singular action to initiate the spell checking process. This step confirms that you are indeed within the correct section to activate the desired functionality for your design files. Finally, to fully enable the feature, you will click on Check Spelling. This action will activate Figma's built-in spell checker across all text layers in your current file. Once enabled, you'll immediately notice that any misspelled words in your design will be underlined, similar to how word processors indicate errors. This visual cue makes it incredibly easy to spot and correct mistakes. For a quick fix, simply right-click on an underlined word, and Figma will often provide a list of suggested corrections, allowing you to quickly rectify any errors and keep your designs looking sharp. Activating spell check is a small effort that yields significant benefits, ensuring all your textual content is error-free and professional.